All right, Friday morning, the 10th of July, 2026. And we've got the Old Sport 6 here, warming up. Ready for a long road trip today. We're going to the All British Car Day in Ottawa, Ontario. So here's where we're going to. I've been a couple times before. Last year we went with the TR8. This year we're going to attempt the trip with the Vitesse. So the Vitesse doesn't have overdrive, so it's going to be a bit of a long drive, being 5 hours on Highway 7 is our route today. We had to turn those high beams off. We don't want to blind anybody. Anyway, we've got some tools packed, some spares packed, luggage packed, and I think we're ready to hit the road. Stop for gas, maybe a little bit of breakfast, and then we'll be on our way. Wish me luck. Okay, we made it to the All British Car Day in Ottawa, and it's an absolutely fantastic day today. Not a cloud in the sky. Ice cream standing by. That kind of run. Anyway, let me show you the cars that are on the field today.
drive there for lunch? Oh, excellent. Yeah.
Yeah.
But you know, people don't, I didn't know that.
All right, guys, just sitting at the front of the Vitesse here after our return from the All British Car Day in Ottawa. Great show, great weather this year, much better than last year. It was extremely hot last year. This year was great, perfect weather. Nice clear blue skies, nice little breeze, and I actually managed to get a spot in the shade. I think the attendance was down a little bit this year. I think last year they had quite a few more cars maybe show up from the Quebec, Montreal region. I think the Montreal Triumph Club or Montreal Car Club brought a few cars along, and this year doesn't look like they made the trip. So a few less cars, but a nice display overall anyway. The car itself performed flawlessly on the trip. About 5 hours there, 5 hours back for the return. A couple stops along the way for gas and just rest breaks. About 900 kilometers all told on the car. And like I said, it performed flawlessly, nice and strong, running, no issues. Even with the non-overdrive car, wasn't too bad traveling along Highway 7 and Highway 15 to Ottawa and back. I did get a few suspension creaks and groans in the rear. Maybe it's just some dry bushings. But we're going to get under the car regardless and check. I do have a little bit of a differential leak that seems to have gotten a little bit bigger since our return. So we're going to get under there and check that as well. So other than that, great show, and we'll be sure to return next year. Anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, and thanks for subscribing. We will see you on the next one.